We'll guide you through how to use CodePen for your JavaScript projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the CodePen website on your desktop browser. Once you're there, you'll see a button labeled Create at the top right corner. Click on it and select New Pen from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window with three main sections: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Focus on the JavaScript section for your coding. You can start typing your JavaScript code directly into this section. If you want to include external libraries, you can click on the gear icon in the JavaScript pane, which opens the JavaScript settings. Here, you can add libraries like jQuery or React by searching for them and adding them to your project. You don't need to worry about saving your work manually. CodePen automatically saves your progress as you type. If you need to test your code, CodePen provides a live preview in the bottom pane, where you can see the results of your JavaScript code in real time. To see how your JavaScript interacts with HTML and CSS, you can add code in those respective sections as well. If you're working on a larger project and want to organize your files, consider upgrading to a Pro account for more features like asset hosting and multiple files. Once you're done, you can share your project by clicking the Share button. You can choose to share a link or embed the pen on a website. This makes it easy to showcase your JavaScript projects to the world. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.